Welcome to the new Citi Market Watch, where we unpack all you need to know on important topics in 3 minutes. Climate change is an existential threat, and has anything meaningful materialized from the COP26 summit, the Conference of the Parties UN Summit on Climate Change in Glasgow? Audrey, the agreed science says that we need global warming to be limited to well below 2 degrees C from pre-industrial levels. After years of disappointment, are we on track?
Well, we have made huge progress. Over 100 countries have agreed to halt and reverse deforestation. Over 100 countries pledged to cut methane 30% from 2020 levels, and over 190 countries and organizations have agreed to phase out coal power. Over 130 trillion in assets under management now forms the Glasgow Financial Alliance for Net Zero. The US and China, the two largest emitters, have agreed to enhance cooperation. And lastly, and importantly, the IFRS Foundation will also establish consistent global climate and sustainability standards and disclosures. It's a win.
I love the optimism, but I think many of us have learned to be cautious and cynical.
Okay and fair. Sadly, even the latest UN report projects that despite all the pledges to reduce emissions, the world is still on track to see 2.7 degrees in global warming. Exactly.
That reflects my reserved optimism. To be fair, high-income or developed countries promised 12 years ago to channel $100 billion annually to less developed countries. This target remains a significant disappointment. Climate change is an enormous sustainability challenge, which is why the UN has 17 Sustainable Development Goals. So we need to champion intergenerational equity, address the gaps between rich and poor, and also indigenous, local, migrant communities, and the empowerment of women. Audrey, what should we focus on?
We can all be superheroes. Money speaks volumes. Now, the silver lining is money and investments do make a difference. And as we discussed previously, as investors, we or you can make a significant impact. And we know now that ESG-focused companies and investments outperform and do so with greater longevity and better volatility characteristics. Now, research shows that technology has been critical to energy efficiency, data processing, storage, lighting, automation, renewable energy, and EVs, and increasingly even precision agriculture.
Thank you, Audrey Cheong, Citigold Private Client Portfolio Counselor. In summary, COP26 has helped galvanize the world on decarbonisation efforts. We see critical underappreciated opportunities, especially in enabling technologies that facilitate sustainable development goals. For more information and opportunities, please contact your Citigold or Citigold Private Client Relationship Manager.